All right, so now we're going to be talking about model trimmer safety, which is really important because we have a disc that's turning at a high speed, and we do not want fingers, and especially we don't wear gloves while we are actually trimming our models. We do need a lab jacket or something that it could get possibly spattered with plaster, something we can take off and wash. But we do not want gloves. We do want safety glasses to protect our eyes and a mask. Okay, so one of the first things we need to do is to plug in our model trimmer, which is this plug right here. And then we also want to plug in our light, which they plug in right there. Here is our light. The next thing we want to do is we want to turn on our water valve that's in the back here. Okay, and we turn that on all the way. And then we're ready to go. If this safety shield is not down, we want to make sure that it's down here to protect our face. And then we want to turn on our light because we want to see what we are doing. Okay, and here we are. So we don't ever want to touch this valve over here because they are adjusted for the water flow to come out just the way we want it. Okay, to turn on the trimmer, there's a switch and it's in the back of the trimmer. We want to make sure that we are to the side, and then we just want to turn it. And you can hear it start up. And you should see a little bit of water coming on the trimmer, and that's circulating at a really high speed, so we want to stand back and stay away from that disc. So we want to also, next, we want to locate our model right here that's been soaking, and then we would go right into our trimming, which would be done in this fashion right here. Okay? When we are done trimming, we're going to put our model to the side, and again, we're going to step to the side to turn off the trimmer, just like that. And again, the disc is still spinning, so we do not want to get in the way or even try to touch it because you will get a real big abrasion. Okay, and at this point, we can actually, we want to flush the disc, so we'll have a water in a bowl and just one time through just like that, and that usually gets rid of some of the residue that could be right on the plate, just like that. Okay, and then what we want to do is to turn this off, the water source off in the back. So we're going to turn it to the right to turn off the water. And then what we also could do is to do a little cleanup. Once the disc has stopped rotating, I can just wipe this plate down, keep it clean. And also if there's any spatter or anything on the shield, we can wipe that down also, keeping our area nice and tidy clean. Okay, then we're just going to close it down for the day. So our light is going to go off and down to the side, and then we would unplug both of our trimmer and then our light. There we go. And that is our trimmer.